This is a stunning hand-beaded ivory tulle called Armani. It's been added to a range in December 2017. It's been very heavily embellished with diamantes and a whole variety of sequins and beads. Hopefully you can see that it's built up in different layers to give it some real texture and three-dimensionality. It's very attractive. It's got these paisley-esque teardrop shapes, and as you can see, as I pan across the width of the lace, it's a very graceful design. It's busy on this side and then less busy gradually as it extends across the lace. I'll just pan in again to show you some of the detail. As you'd expect, with so much beadwork, it's quite a heavy lace, but really is very extravagant and now available from our stock without minimum quantity.